What's up guys, this is Sonny back with another video, and today we have a product from Benq. So thanks to Benq for sending this product to us so we can unbox and review for you guys. So you guys can see Benq sent us a ScreenBar e-reading lamp. It's a great product for someone who like to game, read and stuff. So basically what this product does, what this ScreenBar lamp does, it goes right top on your monitor, just like how you have your webcam and stuff, and then the light will hit from the top. So if, let's put it this way, if your keyboard doesn't have like backlight, or if you are reading same time you are doing some work in the computer and maybe your room light is not all that bright, or maybe your roommate really don't want you to turn the light on whenever he's sleeping, so you can easily turn this light on from your monitor screen from the top, and then you can read the book, do your homework, whatever you're doing, same time you're using your computer. So this product is really good. This product is really good for someone, definitely good for a student also, definitely. And most of the people who doesn't game and stuff, they don't really buy like a keyboard with like backlight and stuff. And I know a lot of my friends, they don't even have like a table lamp and stuff. So this product is really good, really useful. And real quick, I'll just unbox and show you guys what's inside the box. There is some paperwork you guys can see here. Unfortunately, these are in Chinese, I believe, but yes. And now you guys can see the ScreenBar is right on the top. Okay, so there is a ScreenBar, there is that little mount that goes right top on your monitor, and then there's a cable. So let's open the ScreenBar real quick and show you guys. It's not all that big, and it's not heavy at all. So you guys can see right here, it's really tiny. So basically there is a power button right on the top. So we'll get into all this, and there is a micro USB connector right here. So basically that micro USB goes from the ScreenBar to your computer. So whenever you turn on the computer, the lamp will turn on, and you guys can see the LED bar right in the bottom right here. So you guys can see it's not all that heavy, it's not all that big. It's a perfect size. I kind of like it. I hope you guys do. So now you guys can see the little bracket right here. It's pretty heavy. The reason the bracket have little weight on it, so basically can hold the bar. So basically it will just sit like there, and then bar will go right in the middle right here. So it's pretty nice. And let's see the cable real quick. All right, so it's a micro USB cable. You guys can see here, it's a micro USB cable. It's pretty long micro USB cable. The cable is really long. I really like this cable. You guys can see flat cable, not those round old school cable. And there is nothing else in the box. Now that's it guys, there's nothing else in the box. So let's just jump in and install it and show you guys how this thing works. Alright guys, so you guys can see I have my workstation right here, and real quick we will install this Benq ScreenBar e-reading lamp. It's really simple. So we have the mount bracket right here, and then we have the bar right here, right? So what we need to do, basically just connect both of them together, basically hold it here, press it in, and that's about it. Okay, you guys can see. Okay, and just open this up and just put it right top on your monitor, and that's it. So you guys can see right here. Okay, that's about it. Okay, it's really nice, really simple. And also now we need to connect the micro USB cable. So you can connect this USB to your computer port, like any USB port, doesn't really matter. So just connect right on the top for now, and then what we need to do, just put it right in the back. Alright guys, so now that we have the Benq ScreenBar installed, so real quick I'll just show you guys the 4 touch control the bar comes with. So the first one we have on the right hand side, power, you guys can see. Second one, auto dim. Okay, so basically auto dim will basically automatically adjust how bright the light will be, basically depend on your room light, and it will depend. And then third one is basically the color temperature. So you can just tap on it and change the color you like. You guys can see the color is changing while I'm just tapping the light. Okay, and then the fourth one basically you can control the brightness of the light, right? So we can make it dimmer, okay, and we can make it bright. Now also you guys can see I did turn off the monitor just to test the light reflection on the screen, and there's almost none. There's no reflection on the screen. It's really it's basically shooting on an angle, so it doesn't like bother your view, so that's really good. And also the monitor I have is not like I don't have the monitor with like the matte protector on it. It's like a regular monitor, so you guys can see it doesn't really bother the the view. Whenever you're gaming and stuff, it's not gonna bother, or whenever you're reading something. So that's that one thing I really
Alright
appreciate.
guys, real quick, I just wanted to give you guys my thoughts on Benq ScreenBar e-reading lamp. What I really think. Do I think this product is good enough for me to use for my everyday? Yes, I think it's a great product for someone who is not looking to put like a table lamp or have like a brighter light, So yes, I think Benq ScreenBar e-reading lamp is a great product from Benq. The only thing I will add to this product, and I think that will definitely change this product market, basically if they had like a little webcam right in the middle or somewhere here, that will basically change the game. So the only problem, because the people who is going to buy this product, they will have little problem with the webcam, right? Because it's kind of taking the webcam spot. So if Benq can add like a little camera, maybe in their version 2, that will definitely make this product like a hot cake. Basically people will love this product. I personally think it's a great product for reading books. Like sometimes you are reading, definitely a great product for writers. Whenever they're writing, they have their computer on, whatever they're doing, they have a book, whatever they have. So it's definitely a great product. But the little webcam right in the middle, if they can have that, then this product will shine. And also I think maybe the price is little high, $100. If the price was around like $80, I think they will fit perfect in the market. But overall guys, I personally love it. I use this product every day. From now on, I will use it every day, and I think it's a great product. I will recommend others. If you guys do like the Benq ScreenBar e-reading lamp, I will leave their Amazon link, and also I'll leave their website also. So guys, let me know what you guys think. If you guys have any other question, leave in the comment below, and that should be it. See you guys next one. Peace. I'm out.